Hey guys, today I'm making a video of my 10-inch Standard Modern Utilathe, metal working lathe. And typical issue with these particular headstocks, I don't know, it probably happens with other lathes too, but I also own a 12-inch over here, same sort of headstock. And this lever here, it always gets really stiff, and you know, you'd almost need a cheater bar on this thing to get her moving, and you don't want to do that or you snap something. So just 4 screws, 4 cap screws. I'm not sure the size. Let's see here. What does that say? 3/16? Yeah. Anyway, there's 4. Remove it. And then there's a shaft inside. And then what we're going to do is we're going to clean it up. So I'll show you how that gets done. I'm going to take off the cover and we'll get back. So that's the culprit right there. That shaft gets gummed up. And what you need to do is you need to take like a paper towel with lacquer thinner and just really clean that up and try to help the gear at the beginning using your hand on the lever and kind of pulling it at the same time, then clean the opposite side. Just keep cleaning it up and we'll get her loosed up. So I'm just gonna pause here and get back. So I've managed to move it to the other side here, and I'm just cleaning it. And if you look a little close, you can see kind of like some gumming up there on that keyway. So get a small pick and clean that up at the same time. Alright, we're back from cleaning this up, and all we did was lacquer thinner on this back shaft with one hand on the lever, with the other hand on the gear, try to help it, push it across, and clean both sides. Lacquer thinner, clean her up, took a little pick on that keyway over there and cleaned up the gumminess on the corner, on the inside edge there, and that's all it took. Just 4 screws, the lid, remove it, and that's it. And remember guys, when you're using your lathe, there you go. That's about it for now. Have a great day.